How cool is
Let's
that?
get a look at our forecast for this Friday morning. Maybe a little peek of the weekend as well, Vianey?
Yeah, it's going to be cool and pretty comfortable, I might add, especially if you like the cool 60s. But if you don't like the wind, well, we are definitely going to be seeing gusty conditions around the coastline. So beautiful view over San Jose right now. You can see a couple of high clouds rolling through there. We've got the sunrise about to really make itself seen, and our current temperatures out the door pretty mild in the 40s and 50s. But eventually by the afternoon, take a look at this. Upper 60s, low 70s for the interior valley. So 73 in Fairfield, 70 in Livermore, and then down through the South Bay, Morgan Hill, 70 degrees as well. San Jose expected to top out in those upper 60s today. Around the coastline, though, that's definitely where you're going to notice that chilly ocean sea breeze into the afternoon. San Francisco, about 60 degrees today for that home opener. Wind will definitely be a factor this afternoon, which could aid in hitting some home runs, hopefully. Temperatures are going to remain in the 60s. San Francisco, look at that. By about 1, 2, 3 o'clock, we'll start to notice the winds really increasing, not just for the coastline, but also for areas like Novato, Petaluma, Santa Rosa. 20+ miles per hour as well in through the Delta and the East Bay. Now let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. So in addition to remaining dry, we're also expected to get a little warmer around here by as much as 6 to 7 degrees in San Francisco, and inland areas can expect to see upper 70s, near 80s by Monday.